What's up, guys? Just wanted to give you an update on the car. I know it's been a while since I've done some videos and made a couple changes. I think the last video I posted, I went to the guys at Powerhouse Performance, got a set of long tube headers installed. It was a set of catless mid pipes and custom X pipe into 2 cherry bombs out to 2 Flowmaster resonators. Sounds really good, but the problem was I hadn't had it tuned. Recently had sent some logs back to my man Johan at Diablotoona. He had put in a new tune for me. Finally got it running back like it used to. I'm telling you, this car is as hot as it's ever been. I recently lowered it on BC Racing coilovers, put a new set of Clarada wheels on it, so got that stance real nice, give it that little bit of rake. Otherwise, just been general maintenance. Rebuilt the entire front suspension on it, you know, just because the car has 120 some thousand miles. Let's see it. Put a new intake on there, new belt, you know, idler, little things like that. Just keeping it clean, driving it, really enjoying it. Hoping to see what this new tune will do. Still haven't put it on the dyno yet. Last time it had dynoed at about 250 to the wheel. So hopefully I can get some videos for you guys. I need someone, honestly, to record it as I drive it and get some real good like flyby videos. That's like the most #1 requested thing I get from you guys is, oh, rev it, do some flybys. But I definitely will make that happen. So yeah, check you guys out soon.